No running in the halls.
Hey, welcome back to another video. And yet, I'm not doing intro because it's annoying. Anyway, this video is about when Bacon Hair pulls the fire alarm during a school party. Gone extremely wrong. Now enjoy the video as it goes wrong through wrong.
Hello class, I am your substitute for today. The teacher is sick, so I will be your substitute teacher. Also, we have a new student. Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Groovy Dominoes.
You may take a seat. Okay class, you may go.
Drop.
Everyone, I have some news. So, we will be having an end-of-the-year party. This party will be happening at night, so make sure you are signed up for the party. That's all I have to say now, bye.
Well, I wonder what that was. Dang bro, this party lit.
I know, right?
Hold up, I gotta use the bathroom.
Okay.
Ooh, a fire alarm. I should pull it. But won't I get in trouble? I got an idea. Pull it and run as fast as I could using my great energy to annoy the school. Well, what can we say? Let's do it.
Evacuate immediately.